Hello everyone. Recently, Labor Bureau has revised the base year of Consumer Price Index for agricultural labor as well as the rural labors. Now, it has replaced the CPI base year from 1986-87 to 2019. This is compiled by Ministry of Labor and Employment. CPI is defined as a measure which observes the changes in general price level of the goods and services which are consumed by the households. Agricultural labor is defined as the one who takes up one or more agriculture occupations, and he is in the capacity of labor, not the owner, and also he is paid in cash or any kind. The Minimum Wages Act should be followed by both agricultural labor wages and also rural labor wages. Now, the difference between the agricultural labor and rural labor is manual work in both agricultural or non-agricultural labor work. Let us consider a question from Prelims 2020. Consider the following statements. The first statement is weightage of the food in CPI is higher than wholesale price index. This is true. The second statement is WPI doesn't capture the prices of services while CPI does. This is also true. RBI has adopted WPI as its key measure of inflation and to decide on changing the key policy rates. This is false. CPI continues to be the major measure. Now, which of the following statements are correct? The answer is 1 and 2 only. Thank you.